Okay, for our dot sculpture that we are going to make, our paper relief sculpture, I'm going to teach you 3 different origami folds. The first fold I'm going to show you, I think is one of the easier ones. It's called the hat fold. So I'm going to take the top, bring it down to the bottom, or the bottom up to the top, whichever is easiest for you. Make sure you match up the whole edge. I'm going to fold it right in the center and then bring it out to the 2 sides. It's easier to go from the center out than one edge over. Now, I'm going to take that and I'm going to fold it in half rectangle-wise. So now I have a square. Smush it in the middle and swipe it right and left. The next thing you do, this was where we were, we're going to unfold it so that we can see the 2 sides. Now it doesn't matter if you start this way or the other way. I'm going to take the top right corner and I'm going to bring that down to the bottom center. Fold it. Take the top left corner, bring it down to the bottom center. And there you have what is called the hat fold. The next fold we're going to do, I'm going to start it in front of me like a diamond. I'm going to take the bottom point and bring it up to the top until it matches. Go ahead and crease it in the center first and then swipe it to the right and to the left. Give it a good crease and then you're going to unfold. This is going to show me a line down the center and then I see the 2 sides. Here's my diamond. Now if you put your pointer finger right up at the top on the left side, it's going to help keep that part still for you. I'm going to take this side right in the middle and I'm going to bring that side. You can see how this top right side is going to come right to the center line. If you were here in 1st grade, we made origami kites, and that's why this is called the kite fold. Hold this side down, bring this side on this right over here, the top left, bring it down to meet the middle. Now when you rotate this around, you'll see that it looks like a kite. So we've got our hat fold and our kite fold. We have one more fold. You can change up any of these folds to make it look different. That is completely up to you. This is the basic right here. The next one I'm going to show you is called the samurai fold. I'm going to start with folding a triangle, the bottom up to the top, makes a triangle. Open that. I'm going to rotate. Now that line's going in the middle. I'm going to take the bottom up to the top. Now I have what is called an X fold or 2 triangles. So see the X right in here. So I did triangle, open, rotate, triangle. Now this time I'm going to flip it over and put the next fold on the opposite side. So I call this pancake. Pancake is flipping it over. I'm going to take this bottom line and bring it up to the top. I call that a book fold. Smash it in the middle. And now I'm going to stand that up like a mountain. Stand it up like a mountain and I'm going to push it right in the center. What that does is it brings these folds, you can see it pops down, it'll bring these folds so that they're easily coming in. So I'm going to take these folds here. If you take the top and bottom, it starts squishing it in. I'm going to take this one, push it in, bring that together. Okay, so if you're looking at it from this side, you can bring these down and then just take that top one and smush it right down. Or if you look at it from here, you're bringing them together like an X. Now the last step for the samurai fold is you're going to take this top side here and bring it straight down. So if you put your finger there at the pointy part of your triangle, and fold, you're going to do the same thing so it's symmetrical. Every one of these designs are symmetrical. So there you have your 3 folds. Hat, kite, samurai. When you put these on your circle that we've already showed you how to fold, you can see you're going to either put it with the skinnier side in, and that would cover 1/8 of the pie, or flip it around and that would cover 2/4 of the pie. 1/4, 2/4, 2/8, sorry, 2/8, or 1/4, the same thing. So whenever you're doing this, remember it needs to be radial symmetry. So if I have pink on this side, I would have pink on the opposite side. If I have blue over here, I have blue over here. If I have an orange samurai right here, I would do an orange samurai on this side here. It radiates out with symmetry, and we have 4 lines of symmetry. You also have the hat. You can overlap designs if you'd like. So a couple finished ones. You can see this is one is using the samurai, the kite, and I changed it up a little bit. I just folded these down, and I also added a little ninja star in the center. So you can see that's an interesting one. And then Miss Shannon did one as well. You can see she has the same colors across from each other. She chose to do the kite and samurai as well. So the folds are up to you. I'd like you to do at least 2.